This was a wonderful and enriching activity. Our lovely guide, Chassie, sorry to her if I'm getting her name wrong, was very knowledgeable on the history of Barcelona, and we learned many things about the city during those 2 hours together. Highly recommended. I had wonderful experience exploring the historic Gothic quarter with our guide Haley. Learned a lot about the history and current culture of Barcelona, Catalonia. Also was given many good food and shop recommendations along the way. Great tour. She was very friendly and considerate and very helpful. She shared a lot of information about the area. We really enjoyed it. This is the course most recommended by my companions. Make eye contact with the guide in a small group, and take pictures from time to time. The detailed explanation is really catchy. It's really good. Don't crowd around too many people, but be sure to buy this product and enjoy the rich stories of the Gothic quarter while coloring the night of Basel. Here you go. In the past, we got lost in the alleys and still couldn't find the scenic spots we wanted to visit. Through the humorous and relaxed walking guide of the tour guide Kang, we got to know the Gothic quarter again. When you come to Barcelona, you must take part in the Gothic quarter walk to experience Barcelona. Romantic. Wonderful guide by Sarah. She one of the guide can know many good things from long history to bracelet and flags. Thanks to our tour guide Xiaokong for his wonderful guidance, we were able to travel through the corridors of history, immerse ourselves in the years of the Gothic quarter, and feel its long and moving story. You can deepen your understanding of the city. The details of each place will be explained in detail, and you will also be advised to visit different places. Our Chinese tour guide, Wawa, was absolutely wonderful. She's petite, always has a big smile, and her stories during the tour were lively and engaging. She was so entertaining and knowledgeable, making it a truly rich travel memory. The Gothic Center walking tour was excellent. The tour was well organized, giving us plenty of time to take photos and appreciate all the important landmarks. Olga was a fantastic guide. She was friendly, engaging, and extremely knowledgeable. Her storytelling made the history and significance of the Gothic quarter come alive. Overall, it was a memorable experience that we highly recommend to anyone interested in exploring Barcelona's rich history and stunning architecture. Great tour. I was lucky to be the sole participant of the tour that day, so it was not a joiner but a personal tour for me. Marcel, the guide, was especially good and made several recommendations to anything you ask him. Definitely recommended. This Gothic quarter walking tour is highly recommended for anyone interested in a concise overview of history. The area is rich in historical and cultural atmosphere, and the guide provides detailed explanations, allowing participants to gain a deep understanding of Barcelona's history. Although the tour involves a fair amount of walking, mostly on flat ground, the sights along the way are truly spectacular. We highly recommend this tour for first-time visitors to Barcelona.